cosplay community as well as the gaming community as FallenHero6. You know, I was asked to create a YouTube channel for quite a while. I've been asked to share my secrets and how I make certain things and the tools and the processes, you know, and also I just want to really have a lot of fun. So my channel is going to be a lot about, like, you know, designing things and creating, you know, works of art from fantasy and thought process and bringing it, you know, to life right here in this workshop for you. And not only so you can see these amazing projects, but also so you can learn how to make them, you know. So stay tuned to my channel. Make sure that you like and subscribe and check for updates and things like that. I'm always looking for suggestions. You know, I've been doing this for probably about 15 years. But at the same time, I know I'm not the best out there. So I'm still learning myself, you know, so have fun, sit back, watch, and like and subscribe.